About a block from Disneyland, federal agents seized $2.3 million in cash that allegedly came from a drug trafficking and money laundering group with links to the hometown of the notorious drug lord Joaquin El Chapo Guzman, authorities said. The FBI and other law enforcement agencies found the cash after raiding an Anaheim home on May 5, FBI spokeswoman Laura M. Miller said. The home, located in the 1200 block of West Katella Avenue, is less than a block from the sprawling, iconic Orange County resort. The home was among several locations targeted by the FBI, the Internal Revenue Service and local law enforcement during a 2-year-long investigation that has included wiretaps and surveillance, authorities said. Investigators also have identified several individuals they say are members of the drug ring, which is believed to have ties to Culiacan, the largest city in Mexico's Sinaloa state and the hometown of the now-captured Guzman.